So this is one of our 5.9 liter street heads, and we're actually going to be cutting the seats on it today. I'm going to show you how we do that and show you why it's so special. So this is a Contour BB new, and it is a single point cutting machine, and you can see that this is a single point cutting tool. Most shops would use something like this, which this is like a 3-point cutter or something like that. And the problem with that is you get a lot of chattering, you get a lot of bad things with these cutters. So this is the best machine that you can be cutting seats with on the market. Also, what these single point cutting machines allow us to do is build this profile in this design that we can have. If you can see here for this street head, we have 6 different angles that this cutter is going to go cut this seat with. And what that is going to help us with is get way more flow out of this head, because you guys might not know this, but this seat angle is very critical in how this cylinder head is going to flow. We actually have a flow bench in here that we have spent countless hours designing these different seat profiles to make them flow to the best capabilities that they can. And so we're gonna go ahead and cut this now, cut these seats. As you can see, this seat right here is cut, and you can see how beautiful all those angles flow into the head are. Also, what a lot of shops do is they'll actually cut what's called an interference angle or a break-in angle, and they'll actually, so if the valve is at 45 degrees, they'll cut it at 46 or 43 degrees and let that valve actually break itself in. But here we are able to cut it at exactly the angle that the valve is, so exactly on startup that valve is going to be perfectly broken and sealed. Just going to blue this valve, and I'm going to show you how. So I put, what this is some blue dye that I have on the valve, and I'm just going to put it in here and spin it so we can see how good this valve seals. As you can see, it's completely wiped off all the blue on there. Perfect seat. Also, this is one of our custom street valves that we put in these 5.9 street heads. It's a 33 millimeter valve. And these are actually nitrided, and it's our custom design, and these valves will actually help your heads flow a lot better too. So as you can see, the time that we have spent engineering and making these parts and these seat angles and everything just makes everything so much easier and flow so much better, to where these seats can just be done in a matter of minutes. That program took 1 minute and 3 seconds to do. And that's why industrial injection is your best source for the best cylinder heads on the market.